Okay, good evening, everyone.
Evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Okay, now today we will study this class three. Okay, class one, two already we have seen. So class three, this is least juicy. Okay, drugs which are least juicy. Okay, that we will see. So most of the procedure is same. Just we have to identify the key which are least juicy plants. Okay, and then we have to go through the procedure, and main one more important thing is their drug strength. Okay, drug power, not strength. Drug strength is in new method. Okay, drug power is in old method. Okay, then class 3. Okay, we will see class 3 introduction. This class includes those plants which are least juicy. Mostly American plants and some of the European plants are included in this class. Okay, so climate of America is little different from the European places. Okay, so that's why most of the least juicy plants are there in America. Okay, preparation of mother tincture, how will you prepare? Okay, again we have to take care of the drug power principle. The tincture is prepared by adding 2 parts by weight of alcohol and 1 part of the plant or uh, part therefore by weight. Okay, means 1 part plant part will be there and 2 part will be the alcohol, or you can tell the vehicle will be there. Okay, then preparation of mother tincture. Okay, how will you prepare the preparation of mother tincture? Okay, the tincture is prepared by adding 2 parts by weight of alcohol and 1 part or of the plant or plant part therefore by weight. Okay, requirements, ingredient. Okay, selected drug substances, plant or their parts uh, whose mother tincture will be prepared. Okay, strong alcohol is there. Then ingredients are there, different ingredients are there. Okay, selected drug substances, plant parts with mother tincture will be prepared. Strong alcohol will be there. Okay, then utensils and apparatus. Okay, same thing what utensils we have used in class 1 and class 2. Okay, so that are wooden chopping board with knife. Okay, porcelain mortar and pestle. Okay, horn made spatula. Then linen cloth, new and sterile. Okay, it should be of good quality so that you can just filter the things. Okay, or you can take the get the juicy part. Okay, then a clean small beaker, a glass stopper file, another clean file with new non-porous velvet cork, glass funnel with a stand, glass funnel with stand, then filter paper, then balance with weight box, then pen, paper, gum, scissor, etc. Then procedures. Okay, what is the procedure? The fresh plant or the parts there are cut into small pieces with a well polished steel knife on a clean chopping board and poured to a pulp with a mortar and pestle. Okay, we have to take care about that key. It should not be rusted. Okay, that's why always. Okay, you can see in class 1, class 2, class 3, they everywhere it was written a clean steel knife should be used. Okay, the reason behind this is just it should not be rusted. Okay, means rust should not mix with the your pulp. Okay, pulp is wetted and taken in a glass jar. Double quantity by weight of the strong alcohol is added. Okay, already we know the ratio 2:1. Okay, then at first powder is moistened with 1 by 6th part of alcohol. Moistened drug is put into a stopper bottle and rest of the alcohol added to it. The whole mixture is allowed to stand for 8 days in a cool dark place. Okay, again we have to keep same thing in a cool dark place for 8 days. Okay, till now everything. Okay, class 1, class 2, class 3 we are keeping for 8 days. Okay, after this period the tincture is decanted, strained through the new linen cloth and filtered. Then it is poured in a clean file provided with the best quality of the new non-porous velvet cork. Okay. How will you this is the just way of preparation of mother tincture. Okay, now how will you calculate the drug power? Okay, that is very much important because drug power is the basis on which you have to keep the drug material and the this vehicle. Okay, ratio of the medicinal substances: strong alcohol 1 is to 2, but medicinal substances is 1 cc loss, that is 2 by 3 loss, 3 cc loss. Okay, then net medicinal power is 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 cc. Okay, weight is 1 cc loss, 1 by 6 cc. Okay, weight is 2 cc loss, 2 into 1 by 6 cc is 1 by 6 cc. Net weight is 2 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, this just there is no need to remember this calculation. If you will remember the drug power, it will be enough. Okay, but this calculation is given why it will come. Okay, then net medicinal substances 1 by 3, solvent vehicle 5 by 3. Okay, mother tincture 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 cc. In 2 cc mother tincture, net weight substances is 1 by 3 cc. In 1 cc mother tincture, net weight substances is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, drug power is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so directly if you will remember drug power is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, because little complicated, this calculation is little complicated. You need to remember how much loss is there. Okay, when you are mixing there is some loss is there. Okay, so everything you need to remember. Okay, so if directly, it is better to remember directly than drug power. Okay, drug power is 1 by 6 for the class 3. Okay, remember it. Then next is the drug power is 1 by 6. Okay, then potentization or succussion process. Okay, the rest process is same. Okay, just we will go through it. Centesimal scale 6 minims of mother tincture and 94 minims of dilute alcohol and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength is given, and first centesimal potency we will get. Okay, here just ratio you remember. Okay, it is 6 is to 94. Okay, it is not like 1 is to 99. Okay, 6 point and uh, 94 drops. Okay, 6 drops and 94 drops. Okay, remember it. It is little complicated because every time you need to remember differently. Okay, like first means this class 1, class 2, class 3. Okay, one minimum of first potency and 99. In second potency there is no problem. Okay, everything will be same. 1 is to 99, 1 minims of the first potency and 99 minims of the alcohol, and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength will give second centesimal potency. Okay, then all succeeding potencies are prepared with 1 minims of the preceding potency to the 99 minims of the dispensing alcohol. Okay, in decimal scale same thing will change. Okay, it will change to the 1 is to 9. Okay, now here we have 6 minims of mother tincture, then we have to keep only 4 minims of the dilute alcohol. Okay, because we have to keep total ratio should be 10. Okay, then 10 downwards stroke of equal strength 1x potency, then 1 minims of the 1 potency and 9 minims of the dilute alcohol, and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength gives second potency. All succeeding potencies are prepared with the first minims of the proceeding potency to the 9 minims of dilute alcohol. Okay, 1 is to 9 in decimal scale. Drug under this class. Okay, again examples, many examples are there in class. Okay, vegetable sources, whole plant. Okay, Evanescence, okay, Eclypha indica is there. Okay, Acanthis is there. Okay, Adonis versalis is there. Euthanasia cyanopium is there. Anthrocinium is there. Okay, then Arnica montana is there. Chinipodium is there. Okay, then Ambrelia is there. Okay, then many other drugs are there. Asafoetida is there. Okay, then Equisetum is there. Okay, Heimlen is there. Then we have Lipus is there. Okay, then what you can remember, roots. Okay, acacia is there. Okay, the whatever you can remember, okay, what you feel easy that you just remember two or three example. It is not necessary to remember everything. Okay, podophyllum is there. Okay, then next uh, Phytolacca is there. Phytolacca decantera you can remember. Okay, so is there. Then Raphanus sativa. Okay, already you know Raphanus sativa is there. Rumex is there. Leaves are also used. Abromaugusta is there. Aglifolia is there. Okay. Then stems are used. Then stems are used. Okay, cactus is there. Okay, then Rasvandia is there. Okay, rhizomes are used. Okay, then we have rhizomes are there. Okay, then bulbs are there. Allium cepa, Allium sativa is there. Then herbs are there. Then young shoot is there. Twigs are there. Flowers are there. Fruits are there. Seeds are there. Okay, so many examples are there that you can remember. Okay, alga is there. Fungus is there. Okay, then lichens are there. There are a lot of examples are there in class 3. Okay, and properly it is classified with the different type of things like fungus, algae. Okay, all these things. Okay, then what instructions Dr. Henneman has given? Okay, that is again important. Okay, footnote of section 267, fifth edition of Organon. In case of the plants that contains much thick mucus, okay, symphytum officinalis. Okay, then symphytum was there in second class also. Okay, Violia is there. On a excess of albumin is there. Okay, or double quantity of alcohol is to be mixed with the fresh expressed juices. Okay, we need to put double quantity of alcohol so that it can be dissolved properly. Okay, plants that are very deficient in juices or like ledum pal, okay, then must first be powdered up with the single into the moistened fine masses, and then it is stilled up with the double quality of alcohol. Okay, so just important is here you need more quantity of alcohol because these are least juicy and you have to mix it well. Okay, that's why just Dr. Henneman has written in aphorism number 267 कि like double quantity of alcohol. Okay, juices may be combined with it and being thus extracted by the alcohol may be proceed out. Okay, that is the reason. Next we will go to class 4 part. Okay, class 4 introduction. These class includes dry plants, herbs, animals, substances, okay, dried or fresh. Okay, so this is a dried part. This is the last of mother tincture. Okay, not 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last class of preparation of mother tincture. Okay, fundamental rule for them. This class has been contributed by Dr. Henneman, Materia Medica Pura under Staphysagrina and Spigelia. Okay. Again, two examples are there. Staphylos aureus is one plant kingdom homeopathic medicine, and Spigelia is also a plant kingdom homeopathic medicines. Okay, to remember this. Then next is the preparation of mother tincture. Okay, principle. This tincture is prepared by adding 5 parts by weight of the strong alcohol to 1 part by weight of the pulp or powder medicinal substances. Requirement ingredients. Okay, selected drug substances. Whole mother tincture will be prepared. Okay, strong alcohol. Okay, we need here also strong alcohol. Okay, then same procedures are there. All the requirements are same. Okay, except the over this selected drug substances, whole mother tincture will be prepared. Strong alcohol is there. Okay, appliances, wooden chopping board and knife already we know. Okay, porcelain or iron mortar and pestle, horn-made spatula is there. A linen cloth is there. Okay, clean small beaker is there. Okay, glass stopper file is there. Another clean file with non-porous volvet is there. Then glass funnel with stand is there. Then filter paper is there. Okay, again, just all the things are similar. Okay, except I told you, except that this drug power. Okay, all the things are similar. Okay, then a glass rod is used, then balance we have to use, paper, pen and gums we have to use. Procedure, the dried vegetable and animal substances are pulverized. Okay, means you have to just make it in small pieces. Okay, properly it should be chopped and it should be made in the proper shape. Okay, into a fine powdered and fresh animal substances into the fine pulp. The powder or the pure uh, powdered drug substances are weighted and taken in a glass jar. 5 times its weight of strong alcohol is added to it and the same mix with the pulp. Okay, here you have to keep the 5 times alcohol. Okay, alcohol should be 5 times. Okay, 5 times is weight of the strong alcohol is added to it and the same mixture with the pulp or powder. Then after thoroughly mixing, the whole mass is kept in a glass stopper bottle into cool dark place for 15 days. Okay, here we have to keep for 15 days. Why? Because these are dry plants, not juicy. Okay, so it will take time to just take out the things. Okay, means what is inside alkaloids and other things that takes time. Okay, that's why we have to keep it for 15 days. Okay, the mixture is second well 2 times a day. Okay, means morning evening you can do or any other time. Okay, after this period the clean tincture is decanted, the residual substances are strained by a new linen cloth and it is added to the previous decanted tincture. It is again filtered by a filter paper and stored in a glass stopper file. Then next is the drug power, again calculation little mathematical. Okay, but at last you need to remember the last part. Okay, not need to remember the whole process. But drug substances loss is 1 grain 1 by 2 grain. Okay, then net drug substances 1 minus 1 by 2 grain 1 by 2 grain. The vehicle loss is 1 grain 1 by 10 grain. Okay, 5 grain 5 into 1 by 10 grain 1 by 2 grain. Okay, grain is equal to already 0.065. Okay, gram or 0.65 milligram. Net weight 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 grains. Net drug substances 1 by 2 grain, net weight 9 by 2 grains. Mother tinctures 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 grain, 5 grains. In 5 grains mother tincture drug substances are 1 by 2 grains. In 1 grain mother tinctures drug substances 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 10 grain, drug power is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so finally you have to remember only the drug power, that is 1 by 10. Okay, here everywhere every class drug power is different. Okay, remember it. Okay, okay, again we have to see same thing. Okay, like succussion. On the other hand, the preparing 5 grains of mother tincture, 1 grain drug substances, and 5 grains of vehicle required. Potentization, succussion, okay, centesimal scale, 10 minims of mother tincture and 90 minims of the uh, alcohol, and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength gives first decimal centesimal potency. Okay, then 1 minim of the first potency and 99 minims of the alcohol and 10 downwards stroke of the equal strength gives second centesimal potency. All succeeding potencies are prepared by the taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 99 minims of the alcohol. Then decimal scale at the drug power 1 by 10th, it's correspond to 1x potency. Here 1x potency is same as the mother tincture of the drug. 1 minim of the drug substances and 9 minims of them alcohol, and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength at second potency. Okay, here just remember, when you are making the first potency, as drug power is 1 by 10th, okay, 1x potency, here 1x potency is same as the mother tincture of the drug. Okay, remember these things. Okay, in this class 4, first 1x potency you no need to make. Okay, already it is made when you are making the mother tincture at time, because drug strength is 1 by 10, already it is made. Okay, so no need to make. Okay, you have directly to go to second potency. All succeeding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 9 minims of the alcohol. Okay, drug under these classes. Okay, class 4 whole plant arnica montana was there in class 3 also. Okay, remember this is the problem with the this old system of classification. Okay, then hydrocotyl asiatica is there, fresh roots abromagaster was also there. Okay, then again we have Helleborus is there, Gingiber officinalis is there. Okay, then Calotropis is there. Okay, then we have Veratrum album is there, leaves Eucalyptus is there. Okay, then we have Ledum pal is there, Spigelia is there. Okay, then many more examples are there. So okay, then again we can see different examples. Okay, then Spigelia is there. Okay, then flowers we have Helianthus is there. Okay, then we have uh, Crocus sativa is there. Okay, then fruits we have Amloki is there, capsicum is there, seeds are there, cedron is there. Okay, sabadilla is there, barks are there. Okay, then cinnamon is there. Okay, gums are there, juices are there, like opium is there. Okay, then fungus is there, bovista is there, lichens, lycopodium. Okay, spores are there. Okay, there are many examples. Okay, many examples, right? Animal sources are also there. Okay, Apis mellifica is there. Okay, then we have Bediago is there, Cantharis is there, Tarantula is there, Cubensis. Okay, so that. So these are the many examples of class 4. But I told you earlier, there is very much confusion with the some drugs which are in class 3 also, class 4 also, class 1 also, class 2 also. Okay, so like that. This was the big confusion at that time. How to classify? Okay, just it was a, like a, it was given. Okay, it was given properly. Like most juicy, less juicy, least juicy, dry. Okay, but there was no any demarcation line. Okay, it was not like a scaling. Okay, like centimeter, already we know like 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Like there was no proper measuring. Dr. Henneman only he know how he select the things. Okay, that was the big problem when classifying this old system of drugs. Okay, so next we will go to preparation of mother solution. Okay, mother solution. Okay, mother tincture done. Okay, now we have to study about the preparation of mother solution. Okay, how will you prepare the mother solution? Okay, class 5 and class 6 already we know, 5a and b, 6a and b. Okay, definition of mother solution is again, okay, just see the theta. Okay, it is the drugs pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of mineral and chemical sources at the strongest alcohol of aqueous solution by the process dissolving in alcohol or purified water, or um, exposing as the case may be. Okay, so remember it. Okay, what is the definition of mother solution? It is only from the chemical or mineral kingdom. Okay, and strong alcohol aqueous solution by the process dissolving in alcohol or purified water. Okay, like that. Okay, so here you are not using animal or plant, here you are using the chemicals or minerals. Okay, remember it. Okay, that is the big difference between mother tincture and mother solution. Okay, now difference classes under mother solutions, two classes, class 5 and class 6. Okay, remember it, two classes, mother solutions. Okay, class 5 and class 6 as per the old system of classification. Okay, now we will go to next part. Class 5 aqueous solution. It includes those chemical substances which are soluble in purified water. Hahnemann classified them as a class 5A and class 5B. class 5B, okay, depending upon the solubility in the strength of 10% or 1% respectively, okay, remember it. Class 5, class 6 alcoholic solution. Class 5 is aqueous solution. It is dissolved in water, okay, that is A and B, okay, means it also depends upon the solubility in amount of water, okay. Class 6, it alcoholic solutions, okay, it includes those chemical drugs which are soluble in alcoholic. um, Hahnemann classified them into 6A and 6B, okay, depending upon the amount of alcohol we need to, okay, like 10% or 1% respectively, okay. First, we will go to 5A, means it is the aqueous solution or it is soluble in the water. Okay, it deals with the method preparing aqueous solution with purified water. The substances include under these classes are easily soluble in purified water. Okay, remember this. 5A easily soluble in water. Okay, remember it. 5A. Then preparation of mother solutions, okay, preparation of mother solution principle, okay. One part by weight of the medicinal substances is dissolved in 9 parts by weight of the purified water, okay. Then requirement, okay, 1 is to 9 will be the ratio, okay. What is the requirement? Again, requirement, little difference in requirement here, okay. That required medicinal substances, purified water is there, okay. Then appliances, porcelain mortar and pestle we need, okay. There is no need of chopping board and chopping knife, okay. Handmade spatula is there, clean glass file with the new cork is there, okay. Minim glass is there, balanced with wet box is there, conical flask is there, okay. Pen, gum, paper and scissors should be there, okay. Procedures. Firstly, the purified of the purity of the medicinal substances is tested, okay. Means how pure, that you have to see the medicinal substances. Then 1 part by weight of medicinal substances is taken in a well cleaned round file, and 9 part by weight of purified water is added to it, okay. Taking care that at least 1 by 4th part of the file remain vacant, okay. Then file is closed by the cork and the homogeneous solution is prepared by gentle shaking. Okay, after shaking, just it is 1 by 1 is to 9 ratio I have to keep, okay, by just gentle shaking of the things. Okay. The next part we will see, okay, this is not so much complicated here, just you have to take 1 part and 9 part, okay. Drug power calculation, medicinal substances 1 grain or vegetable or mother tincture, okay, mother's vehicles 9 grain, 10 grains, okay. So in 10 grains of the mother solution, the mother substance is 1 grain, okay. One in 1 gram of mother substance 1 by 10, drug power is 1 by 10, okay. It is very clear, okay. 1:9 ratio should be there. 1 part will be drug material, okay. 9 part will be vehicle, that is purified water, okay. Here there is no any much complication, okay. No, there is no any much complication is there, okay, in the this class 5A, okay. Then potentization process succussion, again this first potency is already made, okay. 10 minims of the mother tincture and 90 minims of the purified water and 10 downwards stroke of the equal strength gives the first centesimal potency, first minimum of the first potency and 99 minims of the alcohol and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength will give the second potency. Same procedure what we are doing from the class 1, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 5A, okay. All succeeding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minimum of the preceding potency and 99 minimum of the alcohol. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, 1:99. Okay, centesimal scale. Then we have to go through the decimal scale. At the drug power 1 by 10 in corresponding to 1 x potency. Okay, because already first 1 by 10 drug power is there. Okay, as per class 4th. Okay, so already we have to think this is 1 x potency is already made. Okay, in mother solution. 1 minimum of 1 x potency, okay, mother solution, and 9 minims of the purified water and 10 downwards stroke of equal strength will give the second potency, okay. Then we have uh, all succeeding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minims of the preceding potency and 9 minims of the alcohol, okay. Then drug under these classes, okay, 5A, what will come under 5A, okay, because these are the like questions, objective questions. Sometimes these are viva question. Okay, like minerals and chemicals already you know. The acid, acetic acid, okay, chromic acid, okay, muriatic acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid. Okay, then ingredient, inorganic compounds, ammonium carb is there, ammonium causticum is there, ammonium mure is there, okay, then kali mure is there, okay, then kali um, kalic is there, then causticum is there, natrium mure is there, natrium selenium is there, okay. So whatever name you can give, okay, many names, whatever you can names you can give for the chemical, okay, most of the them comes on the class 5A. Then next is the, okay, vegetable is there, there balsam is there, okay, balsam paludinum is there, okay. So now we have to come to class 6, class 5B, okay, class 5B, okay. Introduction: this class includes those substances which are easily soluble in water, but they are soluble in great quantity of water, okay. We need more quantity of water, okay. Class 5 is soluble in water, okay, but in class 5A we don't need much water, but in class 5B we need more quantity of water, okay. This class includes those substances where we easily soluble in water, but these are soluble in great quantity of water, okay. Preparation of mother solution, okay. Here we, in class 5 and class 6, we are not telling mother tincture, just remember we are telling mother solution, okay, because definition of mother solution is very different from mother tincture, okay. One part by weight of medicinal substances is dissolved in 99 part by weight of the purified water, okay. Requirements, ingredients, okay, required medicinal substances, purified water, okay. Then appliances, porcelain mortar and pestle, horn made spatula, clean glass file and cork, okay, minim glass, balance with weight box, conical flask, okay, all the things are same, okay. Pen, paper, gum, scissor, okay. Then procedure: first, purity of the medicinal substances is tested, okay. Always what chemical you are using, that that's purity you need to test, okay. Then one part by weight by the medicinal substances is taken in a well cleaned rounded file, and 99 minims by weight of the purified water is added to it. Take okay. Then taking care that at least 1 by 4th part of the file remain vacant, okay. Then the file is closed by the cork and the homogeneous solution is prepared by gentle shaking, okay. You need to shake it little, okay, because you need much quantity of water, okay. Then what is the drug power? 1 grain, 99 grain, 100 grains, okay, 1 grain, okay. Then again it will be 1 is to 99 ratio will be there, okay. Then 1 minim of the second X potency, 1 minim of the second X potency, that is mother solution, and 9 minims of dilute alcohol, 10 downwards stroke, equal strength, 3x potency we will get, okay. Then all succeeding potencies are prepared by the taking 1 minim of preceding potency and 9 minims of the alcohol, okay. Then drug under this class, class 6, okay, class 5 is all succeeding potencies are prepared by taking 1 minims of preceding potency, okay. Then decimal scale, again same procedure will be there. All the drug 1 by 10th, okay. So the corresponding 1 x potency will be there, okay. 1 minim of 1 x potency and 9 minims of the alcohol, okay. Then second potency will be prepared, okay. So this what are the drugs under these mineral kingdoms are, many examples are there, okay. uh, like this is carbolic acid is there, okay. Then all other minerals are there. Then we will go to group class 6, okay. Class 6 we have to see, okay. Class 6, uh, class 6A, okay. Class 6A, there will be include those substances which are soluble only in alcohol, okay. Class 5 is soluble in this water, okay. Class 6 is soluble in the alcohol, okay. So then again we have to come, examples are like uh, Materia Medica Pura, this comes under the guaiacum, okay, class 6A. Okay, this will come under guaiacum. Okay, then preparation of mother tincture, one part, okay, of the weight and nine part. Again, same procedure is there. Okay, total you have to follow the same procedure. Okay, then you have to take as two parts by weight. Okay, then requirement of same thing are required. Okay, then okay, here you have to get the drug power is again 1 by 10. Okay, then you have to do centesimal scale and decimal scale potentization you have to do. Okay, okay, then drugs under class 6A. Okay, these are these minerals, carbolic acids are there. Okay, then we have to go to 6B. Okay, then again here you need more quantity of alcohol, as 5 we need more quantity of alcohol. Okay, then requirement is again same. Okay, then here again you will get the same thing. Okay, drug strength will be 1 by drug power is 1 by 100. Okay, then potentization will be there in centesimal and decimal scale. Okay, everything is same. Okay, then drug under class 6B will be like the minerals are there, animals are there, no sorts are there. Okay, then sarcodes are there. Okay, so this class 5 and class 6 are like that. Okay, you need to remember it like this. Okay, then we have preparation of mother substances in class 7 to class 9. Okay, this part is again little more important. Okay, because this yeah, drug materials used or like what you have to classify that are very separate from class 1 to 4 and class 5 and class 6. Okay, so this we will see next time. Okay, because this part is very different. Okay, so class 1 to 4, remember this is the mother tincture. Class 5 and class 6, this is the mother solution. Okay, and then class 7 to class 9, this is the mother substance that we will read next time. Okay, so this is just you go through it. Okay, this part you go through it. Okay, and try to remember. Okay, at least one or two example. And most important is you need to remember the drug power. Okay, drug power. Okay, each class drug power you need to remember. Okay, when we will go to the last part, okay, at that time I will tell you. Okay, what is more important. Okay, like one index is there or one chart is there. Okay, that chart is also